The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Jacques, good morning. Today is Thursday, October 28th. Quickly closing in on the end of another week. Deepak, good morning. Rich, good morning as well. Fellas, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Coming into the session, NASDAQ is up 85, ES is up 12 and a quarter, YM is up 54, Russell up 7, almost 8, gold up $5.50. I can go on and on. Oats up, copper up, silver down a bit, not much. Crude down another $1.43. 77 could be where crude is headed before another ricochet. Natural gas off a dozen ticks or so. Inventory and gas today. Coffee up $1.55. Looking at equities, we're pretty much green across the board, although shop is getting shot. Shop is down 51 bucks. Baba Baba's down, nobody really cares, but Google after yesterday's stratospheric move up another 16 bucks. Tesla up another $33. Looks like we're buying pullbacks, guys. John, good morning. Looks like we're going to stay in longs. We are daily longs on the NASDAQ. We are hourly longs on the NASDAQ. Good morning, Paul. Small time frame, we're getting a small pullback. Not much. Guys, if you are with me in the afternoons, we had a phenomenal trade yesterday afternoon. We pretty much caught the high. If you guys look back at that trade, we sold 87, and that final target was 85. Right now, we took a couple stabs at it and caught it a couple of times. Morning session, we had a great, very good morning session. Everybody made money except we had one person with computer issues, which is unfortunate. But in any event, guys, good morning. We're here. Once again, if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We have had one bot trade today. Gold took a long on the robot this morning at 648 and has gotten our targets. So we have a single bot trade today, nothing else close. Good morning, Caleb. Let's see. What do we have? Russell, hourly shorts, but daily and small time. Russell's basically chop. It hasn't broken out. It hasn't broken down. It just traded into, earlier this morning, it traded into its 21 period moving average on the daily basis. It's held and bounced from roughly 4 handles ago. Nothing. Gold looks longs. If gold can get above, gold's first hurdle is about 5.5. Above 5.5, we're going to flip hourly longs. We're longs on the daily, longs on the small time frame. But above 5.5, we'll go hourly up. And above 06, we target 11. Good morning, Becky, and same to you. Above 06, gold can trade 11. We'll see what we get there. Looking at crude, crude should give us a bounce somewhere down near another buck lower, 80.39. It came pretty dang close. It came to 80.56. 80.39 is a 21-day moving average. But good morning, Todd. Early morning for you. Maybe a small long in crude up to 60 area. Copper at the moment, selling will probably sell down to 40.70 area. And we do have natural gas today. Last I looked, gas was down. Yeah, look for a bounce in gas on the hourlies. In any event, guys, good morning. Hope you all had a wonderful afternoon and evening. Let's see here, Mimi, what you got? Let's see, gold, big picture update. It continues to base on daily chart for what finally looks like a breakout. Yeah, I would agree. Now it's charging up to test the 25-30 wall for the sixth time. Yeah, I like gold. I mean, silver as well. I think silver is going to break out. I read a report that silver can go to the $80. I'm not sure I'm buying into that. I think the Hunt brothers thought the same thing years ago. But in any event, today is Thursday, so we have news, right? We have continuing and initial jobless claims. We know we have natural gas inventories. Pending home sales at 10, no big deal. Are you kidding me? Another day with no Fed speakers. They got to be on vacation. After the close, guys, obviously, and for the afternoon group, we'll catch Amazon. So I just can't fathom Amazon missing on earnings. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, as I do every day. And we will get on with sitting here. U.S. government required disclaimer. Good morning, Chris. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade, or that I may or may trade 1 or 10 contracts for that matter, does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own account. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Okay? We're good to go. As long as you guys get target, I'll find trades. 061 is target 1. Unless you want to be greedy for 2 more ticks, you can do that. But 061, 06, 061, if we hit that high of the day, I'm guessing it's going to blow. There's high of the day, 1 tick to target 1. Russell bid. What a dirt devil. Operator error on that one, fellas. Big buyer here, 80 at 5.8. Some buyers at 5.7. Come on. Minute and 15 seconds, they should make another push. Good morning, Bashkar. There you go. Target one hit and filled. Target one hit and filled. Nice job, guys. Like a dope, I closed the trade. I went to put the stop in. Next target up, 094, 095. Final target, 11.2. Got through another swing. Yep, above 15.5. This thing will. God, I'm really disgusted. Seriously disgusted. Well, I don't use an ATM. I generally trade without a stop, and I place targets and stops once I'm in the trade. And I, you know, put the one up, went back to 3 contracts, and apparently hit instead of scroll when I went to scroll, close the trade. It's what it is. As long as you guys make money and get paid, I'm good. I am good. I have all day. Here comes your next target, fellas. Some of you guys should be one and done. Nice job, Rich. Yeah. Thank you, James. Guys, you're going to get this next area, and gold is going to go to 11.5 and potentially higher. Those mistakes never work, right? On coffee, let me take a look at it for you. Let's see what we got. Coffee makes natural gas look like a baby trade. When it gets rolling in either direction, she goes. Here comes your next trade and your next target, guys. Call it 094, just ahead of the auction. If you guys want to milk 2 more ticks, $20, you can. But a couple ticks ahead of that auction, you got block buyer here at 8.6. All right, coffee. Coffee is sitting on some support here on the daily, Patrick. It's wedged between some support on the daily, right? And then some resistance at the 21 moving average at about 202. That's funny. I think coffee can go long here, but back up to 201.20. It's not much of a trade. Hourlies are down. Daily is short. Hourly is short. And small time frame is short, but it looks like it's going to bounce before it rejects. Yeah, Rich. Block buyers everywhere, guys. You got a 207 buyer here with 22, a 165. What price? What price? 203. Today or yesterday? Yeah, 2 hours ago. Crude got your first target as well, fellas. Maybe a tick higher for first target, but you guys should be good in crude and gold. Is everybody good? You should be. Jeez, NASDAQ, what'd I miss? Nice job, Keith. Yeah, coffee's almost up to that 201, Patrick, area where it will probably reject. We'll see. Still like gold long, fellas. I see my buddy Ed L in the room. Good morning, Ed. There you go. There he is. This is a tough week for me. I looked at the games. It's a tough week. No, I'm not conflicted. No. I am a I'm a lifelong Colts fan. Good morning, Daniel. We have had 2 trades already, Daniel. One on crude. First target has been met. One here on gold. First target has been met. We're trying to get second target up around 094, final target at 11.3. Where are you, Daniel? Where do you live? I mean, Colorado. Oh, God, I love Colorado. Where in Colorado? Do you fly fish? If you fly fish, we need to talk. Yeah, Colorado. I almost moved to Colorado Springs like 5 lifetimes ago. What a beautiful area. Yeah, I don't hunt anymore. I used to. Copper puked. If anybody took copper, anybody trade copper? It's coming to below 41. Anybody take copper? He's talking about the slower pace of pandemic bond buying, recalibrating. Guys, NASDAQ is shorts. I mean, I'll catch whatever bounce we get at the market open, but it is shorts. 32 is your target. 32. Take that swing here. Brings us down to 44. It's small sellers, but it should come to 32, 33 for you guys if you're still short. Or if you want to get short here, it should come 32, 33. Let's see here, crude. Let me take a look at crude here. Looks like time's standing still here ahead of the open. Guys, at 9 a.m., I take a breakfast break every day. I will be doing the same today for about 20 minutes. Lagarde says she has every reason to believe the PEP will end in March. Doesn't help with these bozos chatting. But at least we have no Fed speakers. $32 is what I have for final target, fellas, if you're still short or got short. 32. I think there's still 20 handles left in this. Let's see what we get with CL here, fellas. Got an unfinished auction here at 53. If you guys want to snag, 7, 8 ticks, you'll probably get that. I don't think they'll leave that unfinished auction. Nothing else below. I would take crude long on a move above 71. So 72, if you guys want to try crude again. We've already hit it once. Buyers, just ahead of the open. Stop on NASDAQ now would be 69, right around what the entry was. All right. Target one for me will be 87. 87. Don't do the herky jerky. Come on, go get 87. Got to 84. Come on, 85. Come on. Got it. Target one filled. Hit and filled. Target one hit and filled. Okay. I'll leave stop at 0 or right at even. It looks like we're going to try to go higher. Here's our noise. Our noise is we've got to get above 92. We're going to trade to what looks like 95, maybe 6. Not a bad trade, 72 to 96. That's right, order flow, baby. Sellers just showed up here. Block sales, 22 and 20 blocks. But if we break out above, final target will be 82.42. That'll be my final target. 82, call it 40. 82.40. Right up at the high of the day. Okay? Come on, get over 82. Let's go. 82.02, 82.03. We're going to like it. Like it a lot. Got to get over about, oh, there it goes. Come on. One more candle here, guys. One more 15 range candle. That should be it. Some noise here at 18, but everybody good, right? You guys understand? I'm at break even. Final target, 82.40. Everybody good? Anybody in crude? Anybody in crude? Okay, fellas. Christine Lagarde downplaying stagflation. Yeah, I don't blame you, Dan. I don't. I'll trade crude. I'll trade gold. I don't like trading indices in the pre-market. I'm not a big pre-market guy. I don't like low volume. All right, guys, I'm going to breakfast. Whatever happens, happens. I get target or I get break even. Thank you, John. I'll be back. See what we get, guys, at the open. Crude may be setting up to come down. Target 1 filled on gold. Goldbot got target 1. We'll go over these again at 11, guys. All right, we're off. Looks like a 50 short on the open, right? If we get down to 50. Target 2. Come on, move. Target 2 filled. 57 ticks on gold. Target 2 filled. We have buyers on the open, but they're small. Not a shock and awe opening. You can try a 56.50 short, 56.50 short NASDAQ. There it is. 56.50. Target number 1, we should get 48. You can try 44. Come on. Come on, NASDAQ, you red dog. 56.50. You've got to break below 52. Really 51.50, and the floodgates open. You dear dog. You guys are out. I'm not taking the long here. All right, NASDAQ. I would take the long at 70 on a pullback now. 70. Ticks opened at plus 700. You scumbag. They got me 3 times yesterday on shorts as well. And then I crushed them at the end. All right, 70. I'll try the 70 long. All right, I'm long. 75. I just hit buy market. 70 was the entry on the pullback. Stop is 50. Stop is 50. This thing's bananas. Come on, get back up there to 86. Come on, NASDAQ. Stop being a chump. Need to get back above 80. Hourly is killing us. We get above 88, we go 700 change. Went short, flipped long, and now it's doing nothing. Trying to flip back short. God dang it. Here's my stop. Right there. That's it. Fucker. No good, rat bastard. It's not a short, guys. I don't have it short. Now it wants that 35, 32, 35. Yeah, the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes are working through buy and sell orders. Let me see what the ES is doing. YM blew up, so they're buying YM. ES blew up, they're buying ES. Russell blew up. There's no way I'd be short if I'm a position trader in the NASDAQ with Amazon and Apple today. Gold is pulling back. Crude is also pulling back. I think crude is going to sell. That's the runner on the bot is out. Tesla's up 26. Facebook's down a buck and change. Apple's up 215. Where is Amazon? Google's down 3 and change. Microsoft up a buck, down a buck 20. Amazon's down a buck 75. They're selling them right here at 50. NASDAQ's up 70, fellas. No bot trades. Nothing to show there. There's your long stacked imbalances. Again. I'm going to take this NASDAQ long again, guys. I'm long 61. Still wants to be a chump. Still being a chump. Come on, you goof. It's fighting resistance at 59 and 63. 59 and 63. God dang it. Come on, you. Boy, I like the afternoon much better. 59 and 63 are the problems. Let's go. Still putzing with this 59. Same area, 59. Yeah, that's a good move, I think, Dean. I'm surely not looking for. Come on. We're almost there, guys. Through 62. Come on, break through. Jeez, still can't get it. Come on. You got him. We have an absence of imbalances. I don't see any large. You got a 130 here, 174 at 60. Come on, push. There we go. All right, it's through. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. $1,400, fellas. Let's go. Let's go. Blocks. Let's go. Now we've got to get above about 87 half. 87 half, guys. 87 half goes. And we're digging it. It's still a great trade. Trade them as you see fit. If we get above that 87 half, we go 94, 99.04. We got to push through this hourly at 89. That's really, this is hourly. We've got to get through 89. So trade them as you see fit. Booyah! Come on, baby. Day high. There you go. $1,800 trade. Unless you guys have panicked and done something silly. Come on, let's go. We got 94. Next move up is 99. Thank you, Jeff. I know what I see, fellas. I know what I see. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. But you got your trade. Nice job, Todd. I mean, that was the pain in the neck trade around that 58 to 61 zone. We're getting a pullback. Trade them as you see fit. We have 1,300 net buyers. We will make another move up right now. Come on. Come on, don't you pull back. Next long is 57 if you're out of it. What time is it? 48. We've got well, we hit a high of about $1,800. Come on. Let's go. $55. If it comes back to 55. 55. Need to get back up through 83. I'll look for the pullback. Hang on, reload Ninja Script here. There we go. $56 maybe. I mean, this thing is pinging around still pretty good, fellas. Boy, Russell rocketed. I don't think we get to 55. I think we got to buy it here. 63. It's already bounced. Next candle in 4 minutes. Now gold is short on the bot. 63 is the entry. This is the fourth trade on gold, which is basically all that's trading today on the bot. There's a 135 buyer with a block here. 20 and 31 contracts, guys. I'm going to take NASDAQ long, okay? I want it back about 65 to 68, that area. And it's going to be a slow and patient hold. Crude is still bid. Yes, bid. Housing news won't affect us much, Randy. What is it? New home sales? Pending home sales, one of those. We're holding 63. We could come 56. And we just pinged off that 55, 56. Pinged VWAP again. As soon as this 1 minute turns back up for me. But that 56, we got that 56. Anybody take it in that area? Anybody long NASDAQ? Okay. Target number 1 is 71, 72. We're getting a little quiet here now. Okay, if you took that, anywhere, I know Russell is stupid. It's you got first target. If you took that 55, 56, you got first target. Mark, you took it at 63. There you go. You're long, guys. You're longs. Yeah, the YM just is. I don't trade it much. It's just too slow for me. Pending home sales. Now look for a pullback down into that 36 again. Let me take a look at other markets, guys. Yeah, YM is nicely bid. You could buy 500 on a pullback, but ES nicely bid. Hang on, fellas. Okay. Dead and dead. It's our buyers. All right, guys. I'm going to hit NASDAQ long again. And 67. I don't know if it comes back now, but 68 maybe. Almost missed it. Missed it by about 3 ticks. Missed it. Missed entry by 3 ticks at 68. Long. There is not, Lewis. There is not. I would have nowhere to put the chat. If it's anything that's pertinent to the room, I repeat it and answer it. But oftentimes it's just banter and nothing that's relevant. All right, guys. Boy, this NASDAQ just has just chop. I'm amazed we didn't make it up to 704 yet. 650 buyers. Come on, seriously? Rat Dog, let's go. Should get to at least 77 again. And if we get through this 8150, yeah, NASDAQ is schizoid today, 30 minutes into it. It's still a little nut. I mean, this is like a balancing act. Come on, wackadoodle. We've got to get above 74. There we go. Then we've got to clear 81, and I still want to get 704. I still want 704, guys. If you want $400, $400, you got it. You know, trade for your accounts, fellas. Trade for your account, not mine, not the next guy's. We've stair stepping lower in the 68, right? We should go through. But they are just balancing this thing right around the point of control, which is, and we've got inside candle on the 15-minute, 10-minute, have us in longs. I mean, the 3-minute is all wicks. So is the 10. This is a trade of extreme patience. I can get you ticks, so trade it, for your accounts. I know where we should go. It's given money 3-4 times. It just won't break up. It's just really odd. But they're buying them. We're over 800 net buyers. No, we were. We're at 750, 760. I don't have any reason to be short. The only thing I can do is be patient. I can get you $400 again. We've got to get through 8150. A blast of that, and we should go right back up. Come on. For the love of God, just go. Dollar index down 0.5%. Yep, I agree. Guys, 81, I mean, that's an add-in if you guys add in 82. 850, give or take, net buyers, guys. No reason to be short. They're buying them, but again, many of you trade smaller accounts. So trade for your account. Right back to entry. We traded to 79.80, 80. I have no reason to want to be short. I have no reason to get out of the trade yet. Sellers trying here. Somebody sold 58, 20, 30 and 28. We got to come through him at 78.75. And then still through this 81 quarter. There we go. We're through 81 quarter. This should be it, guys. This should be it. Come on, push, you animal. Push. Push, you filthy animal. There you go, guys. I'll take 2 at about 98. That's where I'd like to get 2 out of here. 98. Okay. Is the goal 98 buyers? Now we're at 1,200 net buyers. I mean, this trade was a typical, you got $1,300 trade if you guys are patient. Again, this was a very slow developing trade. I still think we go higher. I did not get target. We got 92. We still haven't tagged the high of the day. You took profits at 92. Nice trade. Because you know what? When I scroll, thank you. When I scroll, it sometimes scrolls the number because I don't use an ATM, Mark. Here we go. High of the day. Hit it and go. Boop, 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 doo. Doo-da, ding-dong. Let's go. Doo-da, dee-dee-doo. Da, 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 da. 96. Let's go. There we go. 68 to 98. 30 handles. You're welcome, James. Come on. Push, push. Let's go. $1,400. Or 1,400 net buyers. You're welcome, Kirk. I still think we go higher, fellas. So, but trade them as you see fit, right? Doesn't matter what I think. I'm basing it on what I'm seeing. I told you I had no reason to be short. I had no reason to be out of the trade. The consolidation was a pain in the neck. Anybody panic in Didi Mao? You're going to leave me 8 ticks shy, huh? Anybody panic? I try to walk you guys through the trade, fellas. What I'm seeing. I know you did, Deepak. I know Brad's a rock too, if he's in the room. Anybody holding still? Again, trade him as you see fit, fellas. Trade him as you see fit. You've got a nice trade. You're welcome, Roland. Yeah, nice job, Deepak. Come on, you little dirt dog. Re-entry is 76 if it pulls back there. I have 76, not 67. Yeah, didn't get my target. I still think I will, but you can add at 76 or re-enter at 76. Right there. Something about COVID cases driven by the epidemic in Europe. NASDAQ, you dirty dog. You come 8 ticks from target. Right back to VWAP and a bounce at VWAP. Sold back 1,000. $63, yeah. Somebody bought 51 and 24. 2 blocks bought at 63 quarter. lowering our 68, right? Stair stepping lower. Really like to see it down around 77. We need to get above 76, fellas. 76. 76. They're selling them the last 9 minutes. 339, 474, and currently 150. I still don't want to be short. I still don't have any reason to be short. But we need to get above 76. There we go. We got 276. We got a 76 to a quarter. We need to clear 76. There we go. Interest rates are rising. I'm not looking at bonds. Yeah, ZB looks like we're short the 30-year. Let me take a look. U.S. Yeah, it looks like you're short bonds. Guys, we got over 70. We cleared 76. We're fighting a little bit of resistance right in here. Now we need that 78 to go. We have 800, plus buyers. Again, there's no reason to be short. It's just an, sloppy trade. So I added 2 at 76, right? I'll take 2 off at 86. So I'll take 10 handles on those 2. And I still have 98 as a target. Again, trade them as you see fit. Regardless of where you've added in or retaken the trade, you have money. Trade them as you see fit. Working through this seller imbalance in here, which is kind of should be a non-event. Block buy here, 20 bought there. Oh, 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Story of my life. Should have been here yesterday. Fish were everywhere. Yes, and it's chopping me to death. But I really don't give a rat's patootie about it, Anthony, right now, as I'm in a trade. Come on, NASDAQ. You know you're not shorts, man. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Wind it up. Let's go. Damn it. Come on. Small buyers. One buyer on the top. There we go. I moved the target out to 88 because if I come through that swing, I'm going to get 88. So I'll take 12 handles on 2. I would have gotten my 86, right? I'm trying to milk it on 2. She's a mean one, this one today. Seriously, she's a Grinch. I mean, we're only 10 handles off the high. Let's go. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Sellers, you guys may want to take your money. Your prerogative. You've got money, regardless of where you're in the trade. You have money, right? I cannot emphasize enough. Trade for your accounts. Okay, Roland, you made money, right? You made money, yes? Good. Guys, it's the only reason we're here is to make money, right? That's it. There is no other reason. And my jokes. This NASDAQ today is acting like I dated its sister. Seriously. Got it. All right. So I took off the 2 add-ins, right? I took off the add-ins for 12 handles each. Okay. Now I'm trying to get that 98 target still. I'll take 2 at 98, and then I'll leave 1 to go. See what happens. Anybody being patient? You're welcome, James. Is anybody patient here, or you guys? Didi. Okay, Jacques, here we go. Here comes 98. One more push. Oh my God. 4 ticks. It's story of my life, fellas. I was 8 ticks shy the first push, 4 ticks this time. Some sellers here. And then I'd like to get, you took them off at 89. That's fine. Nice trade. Great trade. You're trading size too. Boom! Got it. There you go. Got it. Now I got a free one, guys. Whatever it does, it does. It's free. Everybody should be good. Whether you held it, whether you didn't, scalped out of it, everybody should be good. If we can clear, 02, 03, start working into that 17 and clear that 18 area, we'll get it. Y'all can start breathing now. It's okay to breathe again. My NQ bot is long. Yes. I have paid no attention to the bots, guys. When I'm in a trade, I am myopically focused on numbers while I'm watching. NASDAQ is long. If you can believe this, guys, we've had 2 trades on the Russell on the bot all week. It's just crazy. Add-ins back at or another trade back around 78. I don't know what gold's doing today. There we go, guys. 700. You got in at 660, and you came out at 8, so you made 30 handles. Yeah, nice trade, James. Nice job. There we go, guys. Now we're getting our move. Anybody running one? I have paid no attention to anything else. You want to smoke a cigarette? Do you smoke? If you don't smoke, it's a bad thing. Okay, guys. You do now. You're very welcome, Mark. 1,700 net buyers, guys. Amazon and Apple today. Who wants to be short? I do. Sell them all. Let's see here. You got Kayla. It's in the bag, man. It's in the bag. Let's see here, Randy. What did you say? Some Democrats in the U.S. House of Representatives left a meeting with Biden saying that a vote on the infrastructure plan could occur later on Thursday. He is now down to, I believe, 1.7 from 3.5. 1.7 from whatever it was, 3.5, 3.7, whatever it was. I think they're now down to 1.7. That's about right, Brad. Guys, we'll just leave one on. My hope is we get through 1750 and you guys are going to watch a massive move. Anthony. You can buy 78 on a pullback. Good job, Anthony. Good job. Got natural gas inventory coming here, fellas. Let me take a look at it at NG. Watch natural gas, guys. plus 87 billion cubic feet above. It's a miss. Little reaction. You can take natural gas long right here, right now. All right, I got filled at 20. I'm filled 20. Come on. Let's go, gas. Let's go, gas. Gas has to get up right through 36. It's got to get through 36, and she blows. Come on. Let's go. Small resistance here at 30. There it goes. It's gone. Anybody take gas? You got 40 ticks in it, fellas. Wee-hoo-see. There's gas. Anybody grab gas? Anybody grab gas? All right, take some risk off. Take some off, fellas. If you're trading multiples, scale it down. All right. I'll take my money and run. Out. This may go higher. I'm out. Done. There you go, fellas. Crushed them. Key rushed them. I don't know, Ken. Yes, it did. I'm paying no attention to the bots. I've been trading, and they're so slow today. So it took this trade. It got first target. Gold has taken now what looks like 6 damn trades, which is obviously indicative of a sloppy trade, right? It's really not going anywhere. Trade number 5. Gold is 3 and 3 on the day. NASDAQ is in a trade. So gold hadn't had a losing trade all week. Now we know it. We know they can't run it 100%. We know that, right? And then NASDAQ is in this long on the bot. That's the only other trade. You've got gold and you've got NASDAQ. NASDAQ is the, other than this NASDAQ trade, nothing else is traded. We're going to yesterday's high, guys, 17. I don't need to look at that anymore. This is resistance here. We're at 2 standard deviations. Is there anybody not making money today? Is anybody not making money? Well, that negates the day then. Guys, I know it's okay. So nice. You got 1,000 back, but coffee was yours. Guys, I know it, listen, it can be hard to sit and trade, especially, when you take an entry, network issues, and, it's back and forth and back and forth. But I try to guide you guys through what I'm seeing, and give you guys patience, especially in trading. Patience will always win, right? Never trade on emotion. In fact, don't do anything on emotion. Emotions lie. Whew, gold is getting smashed right now. Didn't quite hit target. I've not been paying any attention to gold, but this looks like it's going to get hit. Come on, gold. 2 more ticks. Gold should come 94. There it is, second target. Hit third target to the tick at 96 ticks and didn't fill it. Hit it to the tick at 96 on gold. All right, we'll take that. Let's see where we're at on the bots. The bots will be nicely green. Bots are down a little bit on this choppy gold, but if we get even first target on NASDAQ, bots will be green on this trade here. And then if the NASDAQ gets target, it's a bonus. Yeah, 2,500. We're pushing the bottom. I wonder how low this can come. CL. Oh, yeah, gold is slaughtered. Slaughtered. Gold is holding the 100 period at the low of the day. It's 100 on the daily average. It's holding the 100 period. If it doesn't bounce here, it's coming 87. NASDAQ still inching. Runners up nice. All right, I'm out of that gold trade. I don't have to watch it. NASDAQ needs to break this 12.75 and it's going zoop. Come on. It'll get to 15 quarter, which is target 1. It's got to break 15 half when we go to yesterday's high. $2,100 net buyers, guys. If you've got a runner going, you're loving it. I have no entry at this point. Target 1 filled. NASDAQ. Target 1 filled. If we break over 17 half, we're going to get these other targets. Anybody holding? Anybody holding NASDAQ, guys? Okay, Deepak, Anthony, Keith. Okay, guys. Whole bunch of you. All right, fellas. I'm looking for a break of 1750. You're almost home, Caleb. You're almost home. Boy, I missed the short at 02 on gold. Let's see here. Let's see what we got, guys. Great movie, Stripes. Great movie. Classic. Army stuff, sir. YM is headed to 627. ES headed to 89. Russell, which was today's star, off the 21 moving average early this morning on the daily. Double top right now on the hourly. If it breaks up, goes 90. Gold, does not look healthy, fellas. It really does not. Daily longs, hourly shorts, small time frame shorts. Crude looks long. Natty gas coming back down. Has not flipped into a short, but I think on the hourly, if we take out that hourly low, which looks like it is the daily low, natural gas should trade back down to 712. Shnikes. 712 on natty gas. All right, Peter. Have a good day. Let me look at this natural gas. If we break the low, it's going to get bazookaed. It just dumped again. YM is headed to 627. Natural gas broke the low, fellas, and still breaking. NASDAQ broke 17.5. No reason to be out of it yet. We are on the 15-minute at overbought. I'm going to take another one and move that to 48 handles and that to break even and get it out of my eyesight. NASDAQ bot's not had a losing trade all week. Nice job. You hit your target. You had 20 cars on? Nice day. Yeah, lotto day. Nice. Guys, it's, again, it's just, today required, it was all or nothing. If I lose it, I lose it. The hell with it. That's gambling. Come on. I am back. Guess who's back? Look at this, fellas. Here comes second target. 48 handles. Are we having a day or target filled? Done. Are we having a day or what? Who's holding? Thank you, Jeff. Who's holding? Okay, Deepak. Guys are going to be in a whole new tax bracket, fellas. Whole new tax bracket. I'll let the Democrats know. Yeah, I mean, I should have been. 89 is your target on ES. Nice job, Caleb. Nice job. Now go give it to that new bride of yours and let her spend it. There are no bot trades on the ES today. I'm insured by the same people, Deepak. I have the same insurance. And quite a bit of it. I mean, you have to be. You live in Chicago, for God's sake. It's probably the least safe city in the country. I mean, outside of Baltimore or Portland. Don't worry, your mayor's on the job. She's doing a great job. We are way overbought, fellas, just letting you know. You can buy 20 on a pullback, but we're way overbought. All right, guys, let's see where we're at. Bot's up 1880. It is now up $6,900 in 4 days on the bots. Not one ES trade today. And not one Russell trade, which is just blowing my mind. The Russell. 2 trades all week. Crazy. Anybody have any questions, guys? At 11 o'clock, I will, of course, go over and show all the bot trades. NASDAQ headed to 816. NASDAQ is now going to 816. Let me see gold. I haven't been watching, guys. I mean, okay, so I probably should have been long gold at 98. I wasn't watching it. And again, I probably should have been long at 99.7. Is there anybody that still needs trades? Is there anybody that still needs trades? Okay, you're long from 98. Perfect, Patrick. Need or want? Brother Free. Need a trade or want a trade? Are you down? Okay, Lewis, I don't know if I could find another. NASDAQ, the best I have right now is about a 20 pullback. I don't have anything else. Okay, down because of your own trades. Got it. Got it. I'll see what I can find. We got all day though. Remember, you're with me in the afternoon. Yeah, you guys are with me till the afternoon. There's no reason to force a trade. I can't do anything with crude. YM, I detest. I would rather have a conversation with my ex-wife than trade the YM. Lewis, are you down? If you trade natural gas, you have a natural gas long at 04, 59.04. And you can trade it back up to VWAP. Anybody care? I mean, it's already popping. Anybody care about natural gas? Oh, okay. Good job. Nice job. Copper, I really have nothing. Russell. Let me take a look. Let's see here. YM, you can buy on a pullback to what looks like 28, somewhere between 12 and 20. Yeah, gold was longs. I would be way late on gold. Let me take a look at gold. CL. Yeah, gold is going to have to get, in order to go long, gold's going to have to get above 03 for me. It's got to get above VWAP. I did not call out any trades on the ES. I gave an overview of what I saw on the ES with targets, but no, I did not today. I will be completely forthright. I am not the planet's best ES trader. And in large part, that is due to my personality type. The ES moves so damn slowly that I have a hard time with the ES. Back and fill 3 handles. Tough trade for me. At least it's tough for me to sit in. But I can tell you where we're going, right? So if you're a position trader and you're okay with back and fill, the ES is going to 89 today. Listen, I'm being honest. I think I trade the NASDAQ better than almost anybody on the planet. If anybody thinks they trade the NASDAQ better than me, I will gladly trade head-to-head against anybody. But that's in large part because I trade it every day. The ES, I trade gold fairly well, and I trade crude fairly well. But again, the ES is just so slow for me, and I hate trading against algorithms, which 70% of the volume in the ES is computers. I can tell you it is going to 89. That doesn't preclude a pullback to 68 or 70, but it is going to 89. I would buy the ES on a pullback to 71 but it's a position trade. Let me see the ES. Yeah, I should have been long the ES at 940, and the entry was 65. Okay, so Randy says it's going to 91. Maybe it is. 89 to 91, that's your target. The NASDAQ is easier for me to trade. And then 93. Well, I mean, Goldman Sachs or somebody is calling for 4,800 year end. So if you're a position trader, you're in. All right, Chris. See you 1 o'clock. See you at 1 o'clock. All right, fellas, I'm going to kill this trade here. I'm out. I'm flat. End of month markup going on in ES. Yeah, good point. I mean, we should start in Christmas rally, right? You could look to buy the ES maybe at 75. Yeah, target 91, 93 even. Oh, you're welcome, Daniel. I'll see you this afternoon if you're leaving. Hedge funds need their monthly bonus. Yeah, they don't make enough money. Poor guys. If you guys want to try a trade on the NASDAQ at 20, you can try a 20. Yeah, and I'll show them at 11. In 3 minutes, I'll show all the bot trades today. I go over them every day at 11. Now, obviously, I don't run them in the afternoon. The bots are done trading for me at 11 a.m. All right, I got to fill at 20 here. I want to see this bounce. First target, 29. 29 on target 1, maybe 28. Target 1 at 28. Come on, bounce. Let's go. Okay, Patrick. See you tomorrow. My stop is 9, fellas. 9. Oh, shoot. It's 11 o'clock. That's why we're getting a pullback. My stop is 9. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Need to get back over 22. 22 quarter. Now we're going to fight 18 area. That's the first hurdle, 18. If we get back through 18, this trade is good. Kansas City Fed Manufacturers Activity Index, like anybody is waiting on that. If this fails, the next entry I have is 78. I have nothing before 78, which will occur after I've closed this room. All right, guys, bots are done. It's 11 o'clock. Let's go over the bots. ES took no trades today. So again, as a reminder to trials, purple to purple. We don't trade in purple. Okay, no trades on the ES bot today. No trades. I guess I'm out. It's all right. Still a monster. NASDAQ. Nothing this morning, early. We finally got a long trade on the NASDAQ at 10:09. We got two targets, 1 and 2. So 1 for 1 today. The NASDAQ on the week, 3, 4, 5. NASDAQ is 7 for 7. That cannot stay that way. It just cannot. Crude, purple to purple. No trades in crude today. None. Russell, no trades. Purple to purple. Not a trade on the Russell today. And last but not least, gold, which took, 74 trades, it appears. 6 trades today. Gold was 3 and 3. So we had the first trade at 648. Got our targets. We had a short at 848, which failed and flipped into a long. Got 2 targets. We had a short at 951, failed, flipped into a long, failed, flipped into a short, and got all 3 targets. That was the most recent trade. So it chopped around between 951 and then 1012. So in that small time frame, flopped around. But it got all 3 targets. Actually, untrue. Did not fill at 96 ticks. It hit it to the tick and did not fill. And I took it off at 68. Those are your bot trades. Here is your bot total. Plus 1880. 1880 on the bot. 1880 green. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 trades today in totality. 4 winners. Anybody have any questions? For those of you guys that are with me in the afternoon, I will see you at 1 p.m. If you guys are here on trial, you've been with me this week, your trials will end tomorrow. I think I have 1 or 2 that may carry over till next week, but I have, Lewis, trials aren't in the afternoon session. It's the same as this with members. You're welcome, Mark. Mark, you're welcome, Jeffrey. Well, which is better, Daniel? In my opinion, and I think that, just send me an email, Lewis. Send me an email. The afternoon, I think, is easier to trade. We don't have the same extreme volatility. And I think that many of the guys in the room would probably, that are with me at 1 o'clock would probably agree with that. I tend to have bigger trades in the afternoon. Again, not as much volatility, and we don't typically get much in the way of gold or until later, crude on occasion. But I think the afternoon is better. My opinion. I think the guys like trading the afternoon. If anybody that's in the room is with me in the afternoon, you guys want to weigh in on this and share your thoughts about the afternoon. But if your trials end tomorrow, just know that today will be Roland said yes, he agrees afternoon. Just know that today will be Brother Freed, love the afternoon session. Today will be the last day that I send out a video recording to you trials. Now they're always posted every day on Vimeo and Skype. If you guys want to, hang on one second, guys. Hang on one second. Deepak said slower trades in the afternoon, but the commentary helps a lot. Yeah, better. James said the same thing. Afternoon, the best of the best. Those of you guys that are on trial, I post every day to Vimeo and YouTube. But today is the last day that I will be sending out a daily email. On Fridays, I don't send out a follow-up email. By now, you guys should have seen. If you guys haven't seen what you want to see in order to become a member, own the bot, be in the room, whatever the case may be, Friday, you're not going to see it. I promise you. On Fridays, I'm generally done by 11. There is no afternoon session on Fridays. I do that Monday through Thursday, and I'm done for the week. So on Fridays, consequently, I don't take a lot of trades or do much trading on Friday. My goal is just to be green and get the hell out of Dodge for the weekend because I can't come back Saturday morning and get it back if I'm down. And nothing rankles me more than, I could have made $10 million Monday through Thursday. But if I lost $1 on Friday, nothing rankles me more. It is the last day of the month tomorrow. Yeah, email me, Ken. Guys, have a blessed day. Have a blessed afternoon. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. And many of you I will see at 1 p.m. today. I appreciate your time, fellas. I appreciate you sitting in with us. I hope it's been profitable, certainly learning. If anybody needs me, call me, email me, or Skype me.